Just south of Denver is a little area called DTC, Denver Tech Center. It's got a weird architectural thing going on. Somebody had a bunch of extra oil pipes and they decided to use them to create this spline that sticks up out of the ground. So, what do you do with splines? You fly them. This is me flying the spline. Well, attempting to. And one really great, beautiful architecture. Didn't feel confident enough to fly through the spline. And I was using my Pavo Pico, still learning how to pull up, give it enough juice. Apparently I haven't figured that out yet. Thanks for watching. Do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. Keep flying.